You may be asking, bakit nyo naman gagawin yan kung hindi kayo kikita? Of course, we need to earn, right? We need to make money kasi at the end of the day, if we want to help more people, we need to make money to help people. Kasi kung walang pera na papasok sa Libre Academy, we cannot maintain the platform. To give you an idea, just to maintain a platform, you spend thousands of pesos. So saan namin pupulutin yon, di ba? Of course, we need to make revenue, right? So saan namin kukunin yon? Hindi namin yan kukunin sa mga Pilipino. We are going to have a fixed rate kung saan ang mga clients ang mag-shoulder nun. And that's even a one-time fee. It's not even a monthly fee. It's just a one-time fee to get direct access to the Filipinos that we certify and that are job ready.